In today's video we're going to be playing Monkey on the Shelf with Dino and Monkey and so let's get into the video. So delete something.
I'll delete this.
Okay.
I hate black.
Gadayon. Too easy.
Do it, bro.
Okay.
I think we should improvise.
Oh, that's easy then. Oh god, goddamn. Yeah, oh boy. Goddamn. Oh bro, that was so close.
This counts as floor.
Yeah. Okay, so that's the second round done. That's the second part done. Okay, delete something else.
I delete this.
That's so easy, bro.
Wait, bro.
God damn. You may be wondering how I got over here. Oh god damn.
I delete this.
God damn. What,
Yeah,
have you deleted this wall?
You deleted that, man. He deleted that.
Yeah, I deleted that.
He deleted
Oh, let me redo it then.
it. Well, not cool.
Oh my. Okay, I'll get off. Bro, get on the shelf right now. So, the first item I delete is this. Yeah, boy. I'm gonna come over to the mirror, just make sure. Good. Oh, bro, you gotta make your move. This wall's deleted, by the way. Yeah, bro. Bro, you're taking your goddamn time. Now get back, boy. Next thing I delete is this. If I see one mistake,
Oh, themed it.
boy. If I see you, okay, good, boy. Next thing I delete is this.
Oh,
Oh, nice. Oh, nice fashion. Come on, Bubble, you gotta do it. Good, good boy.
I'll help you up. I'll help you up.
Next thing I delete is this. God damn. God damn. God, yeah, you good. Bro, I saw you touch the ground, boy. But nice try though. Next item I delete is this.
There.
But I swear, if I see any of these guys,
Oh.
God, oh yeah.
Ow.
Okay, I don't. You still haven't had your go, boy. Have your go. Not boy. And the winner of this round is Monkey. Don't tag him. Let's see how far he can get. So I'm going to delete.
Oh. Wait. I thought you meant I was supposed to.
Okay. Okay, who's the tagger now? Okay, you. Okay, everybody get on the shelf right now. Okay, what do you delete?
I'm gonna delete this boy.
God, oh, you boy. By the way, we're doing one more round after this for the video. Then we can do Color Rush or whatever game mode you want to do.
Hold up. Left over tag. I'm gonna tag you for doing that, purple. Big.
But yeah, that's his last
Next
chance, boy. Okay, what do you
I'll
delete
delete.
next?
This boy.
Bro. God damn, boy. Am I seriously the only one using this method? I touched the ground.
Very purple.
No, I slipped on this one object and I fell off of it.
Right, I'm gonna delete.
Okay, that's deleted then. Alright, let me
That
check.
wall over there.
Well, I'll just do that later.
Not this one. That one.
Yeah, boy.
Oh.
Oh, that was close. Carry on.
I'll keep an eye on pink.
Boy. Now
Right.
don't tag him. Let's see how
pink. You got
let's see
one
how
more
much
round.
items we can delete and him survive. So you delete you gotta delete something, boy.
I'm gonna
Monkey,
delete.
something.
This
So
boy.
this is deleted. I'm trying to stand here.
Ooh.
You didn't
Good
you
job.
delete this rule?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Next,
Winky winky.
hey monkey, what do you delete next?
Winky winky.
Okay.
You catch that one.
It should be him. Yeah. This is the last round, by the way, guys, for the video. So, okay, what do you delete? God, oh you.
Dramatic.
God damn, I'm beautiful. Okay, what do you delete next? Boy, oh boy.
Oh. We put on two.
Boy, oh. Oh.
No.
Oh, this could touch
gonna
the
breathe.
rumble. Okay, what do you delete next? Bro, still hasn't deleted this. God damn.
Does this count? Yeah. This still count. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm coming back now. Boom. Mr. Bombastic.
I'm
What you
technically one
delete
of your
next
ancestors.
of that? Wait, have you deleted that? That. Oh, okay. So I gotta make a decision. So I can only get to there. Yeah. Now I gotta skip the wall, don't I? God damn. Okay, what you delete next? Oh, he
You delete
deletes that.
Okay. Delete it.
This is really the only way. Okay guys, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.